What would Bridget say about who she would take to dinner from history and why?
I'm just going to say a president, Ronald Reagan.
I don't know. Nefertiti,
Definitely not pick the same person I did. I can tell you that right now.
the Egyptian era. It just seems cool.
To a seafood place, definitely. So let's just say, what is that? Anna Maria Oyster Bar down the road?
Anna Marie Oysterbach.
How do you think, what's Bridget's favorite way to spend her weekend?
Relaxing with her and Dave. Maybe go for a motorcycle ride. She's not a beach woman. She's not a pool girl. And she lives in Florida and she doesn't like the beach. Go figure.
Sleep and ride the Harley.
Do you have a least favorite day of the week and why?
Oh, Monday, because it's the first day of the week and everything goes crazy on Monday.
Mondays, because she has to get up and come to work. Maybe
Yeah.
Tuesday. She's been with Dave all weekend. She might want a break.
What movies does Bridget like? Do you think she's seen a movie more than 10 times?
If so, I would pick a cartoon for the little kid.
Dirty Dancing, because I love the movie, and Titanic.
But mostly when I ride in the car, she's listening to country and she probably could sing all the words to it. Yes. And I'm going to go with old country, like Garth Brooks or something.
I love to sing. I can't sing, and no, I don't know all the words because I'm old and I forget. I just hum.